Smoke until the stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, tart just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What is happening, my dogs? I am the auction dog, and today I bought an auction car for all of my auction followers. And we're gonna go ahead and go pick it up. And it's gonna be really cool. I bought it I'm changing my whole business model around. Last year, I just tried to get my feet wet and learned the business, you know, and learned how the auctions worked and learned how to be successful in this, which I did all right. I think I sold like 35 cars last year, 34, something like that. And I have 2 more from a rollover from last year. And I've already sold 1 so far this year. And this month kind of was a little rough for everybody, but long story short, I'm changing my business model. I am going to switch over to selling enthusiast cars, and that's what I've kind of tried to focus on the whole time. But I was buying other stuff. Like, I don't want to make all my money selling Ford Focuses and Ford Escapes and shit, because it doesn't make me happy to do it. I mean, it's okay, like, I don't mind providing transportation, but I'd rather sell stuff that people like want to buy rather than are forced to buy because it's within their price point. So today I bought one of those, and I spent a little bit more than I wanted to on it, but I always say that, and because I'm a cheap. But anyways, you know, long story short, I'm gonna go pick this up. I got my brother coming over here in a little bit, and we're gonna go pick the car up from the auction. I'm gonna film, kind of just keep you guys. I'm gonna show you guys this whole process of how I like to do this, and we're gonna try to clean this thing up this weekend, which today's a Friday, okay, at like 11 o'clock. And hopefully we're gonna have this thing listed by Monday. I'm gonna go get some buffing stuff and some paint restoration. It's really not that bad, but I want to try to get as much as I possibly can out of this car. And I think that you guys will be pleasantly surprised. I really try not to buy these things very often because I don't know them very well, but I know enough. It's not what you know, it's who you know. And I know enough people that are fluent in not gonna say it, but it is JDM. So, and I like Jap cars. I really do. I've always liked Jap cars. I like Nissans, you know, that's one of my, it's the tried and true right here. But I just went European, you know, probably like 8 years ago, and I never looked back. But I do like to buy them periodically. So long story short, yeah. All right, dude, we're here at the auction. I got my bro with me right here. Oh, look at the digs. Nice, dude, nice. About to get this thing. We're gonna fucking get this car out of auction here. It's gonna be a good time. I'm stoked to bring this one on the channel, honestly. We're gonna clean it up. Whole goal is to have this thing ready for market by Monday. Clean it up, get it gone. It's right there. Wham, dude. There you go. Yeah. Not bad. No, we'll cut all that stuff out. There she is. 06 Honda Civic SI. Needs a little cleaning up. Needs a little butter on the bread. Got a little dent there on the hood. Let's check the oil and all the fluids and stuff before I start it, but not bad, dude. Picked it up for an undisclosed amount of money. It's in good shape. K20, 6-speed. Got an exhaust and intake. It's got wheels, got some Koenigs. Oil look okay? Check the coolant. Belt looks good. Not bad, man. Is it hot? No, it's cold. We're about to drive that thing like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna go get some water and top it all off, get the fluids looking right, and then we out of here. I'm stoked to drive it. It's gonna be 6-speed. I don't remember how many brake horsepower a K20 makes, but it should be pretty badass. I'm looking forward to it a whole lot. Yeah, actually, just leave it up. I'm gonna start it. All right, here we go. First start. Not too bad. All right. There she goes. Yeah, motor sounds good. Sounds healthy. Yeah, give her a go. Hell yeah. Ooh, sounds good. Motor sounds healthy. Nice, dude. This was a good buy, man. Just needs to be cleaned up, you know? Yeah, it just started. It's cold start. Yeah, it'll come down. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? This thing's freaking right there, dude. I'm gonna get some acid and clean the wheels, make sure they're clean. These are freaking, are these Motegis or what are they here? Ultra Racing. All right, so they're off brands, but I'll take it. I don't give a shit. Tires are good. The only thing I hope is that the clutch doesn't slip like a bitch. That's the only thing that would matter at this point now. Dude. He was from Atlanta?
Yeah, this is a paycheck from Home Depot.
No. That's Land O'Lakes, Florida.
It says Atlanta, Georgia.
Yeah, but that's where it's
Land
from.
O'Lakes.
This is
Yeah.
You ever gotten a letter before, dude? You can- I'm gonna take this exhaust silencer out too. That's stupid. Yeah, it's got a silencer in it.
You got a car seat too.
I know. It needs a headliner, you know? I might just pay to have somebody do the headliner. It's bad.
You can do it yourself.
It's gnarly. Yeah, I might just do it. That might be a project because it needs that bad. That works. Sunroof works. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I'm a Honda bro now, dude. Oh, yeah. This is a good, this wasn't bad. This is good. This is panning out really well so far. Okay, good. Fantastic. I know, I'm like ready to go. All right, let's go. We're out of here. Got my gate pass. Close the hood. Probably a little bit. As long as it doesn't sound like shit, that's all I'm worried about. Sounds good. All right, dude. Gonna grab this. All right. Perfect.
I'm gonna flip around this way, yes. Click it or take it. Oh yeah.
We're getting salt and pepper into this freaking headliner.
Sacked out headliner.
Oh my god.
Shit. She's got some power though.
Oh, it ain't slow, that's for sure. Cops like looking at us. He's like, oh, you fucking around in here, huh?
Yeah. Fucking Porky right there.
Howdy, officer. How you doing? There you go.
Oh, there's a front facing.
Oh, you gotta put
That's my
your seatbelt on.
seatbelt. I'm gonna get
I was
out
like,
in a
what's
second.
blowing up, dude? Ah, shit, here we go.
How's the clutch?
Feels good. Doesn't feel like shit, that's for sure. Doesn't feel like shit, and that's the most important part. This is not bad. This was a good buy.
These things are sweet.
Oh yeah, it just needs a headliner, dude. This is gonna suck driving like this, though. It's just gonna
You just close this.
coat me, dude. I wish. Do you have any pins in your car, like things I could stab into the freaking ceiling of that thing, huh?
No, I don't.
All right.
Just rip it off.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man.
Boop, boop. That's it, huh?
We're out of here.
Let's do it. Yeah, the dashboard and all these are really sick with the.
Oh,
I like the
yeah.
speedometer. It's like an actual gauge. Is it on coils?
It might be lower, honestly.
Feels stiffer than the normal Civics.
VTEC kick
You can hear it kick in. Yeah, it's insane. Yeah. Oh damn, dude.
That's hilarious,
This thing
dude.
is sick. Oh, nice downshift. Yep. Oh, it's my seatbelt. Alright, shut the fuck up. There we go. I got my Jeep. Oh. Alright. Oh, I love this car, dude.
Dude, this
Easy
thing's
60. This thing is no joke. Oh my.
Dude, as soon as it starts burying VTEC,
Yeah,
we're out of
you can
here,
hear it.
dude.
You can hear it. Insane. All right, dude. You don't have to follow me home because I don't think it's gonna happen.
Oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
Dude, as soon as it spanks VTEC, we're out of here, dude.
You want me to?
That's hilarious.
I'm gonna get a video of you driving over. Downshift.
I've been driving this thing around all day, but it literally is filthy. It's disgusting. I mean, like the whole car is just full of stuff, trash, whatever, dude. Look at the carpets. This is a dirty car. Got a child seat back there for some reason. I don't know why they wouldn't take that out. Oh, you got a magic card? Curse of Death's Hold. Watch that be worth like a shitload of money. That'd be funny. Oh, got another one. Battle Mastery. Fucking magic cards. I don't know about that stuff. Oh, wow. Look at all this crap back here, dude. Whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this stuff out. Clean this whole car out. Look how nasty it all is in here. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna clean this whole thing, and then this exterior is gonna get buffed. I got buffing wheels over there and shit. So today's gonna be this is gonna be a good one. I'm looking forward to this. So I've had this thing for, I don't know, I bought it on Friday. It's Monday right now. And in those 3 days, I have come to realize why people like Hondas and VTECs. It's like I don't know. I've always grown up driving rear-wheel drive cars, and I liked rear-wheel drive cars, but this thing's badass, dude. It really is. It's an 8th gen SI. It looks good stock. You don't need anything. You know what I'm saying? It looks perfect the way it is. It's just styled perfectly. And they did a really good job with this thing. And since I've had it, I've waxed it. I buffed it and waxed it. Look how good it all came out. It looks perfect. What's up, Lou? And yeah, dude, cleaned to the wheels, took the silencer out of the exhaust, cleaned the interior up real nice. It all looks really good. It's mint, dude. The whole car's mint. I'm gonna list this thing right now. The only thing I still got to do is the headliner, which I'm gonna knock out tomorrow. Back seats are clean. Everything's clean. I can't believe how shiny it came out, dude. This car was filthy when I got it. Some handprints and shit right there. I don't know if you can see it, but like this paint has this weird, it's really nice actually. It's like a blue metallic to it. But long story short, this was a great flip. This is a good one. This came out of nowhere. I'm gonna look for these for more often. And this entire next year is gonna be all just about enthusiast cars. I'm not buying Honda freaking, that was a stupid example. I'm not buying Toyota, you know, bullshit anymore. I'm not gonna sell Pontiac vibes and dumb stuff. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm doing what I wanna do. Because this is so much more fun than anything else that I've been doing, dude. I've been having so much fun in this car. It's a great time. Get a little VTEC ripper going here. It's a little dirty right now because I've been driving it. I haven't cleaned it, but I'm gonna close this video out right here. I had a lot of fun making this one and just kind of enjoying this car. It was a good experience for me to learn about Hondas and about what the daily usage is, or the daily use would be in one of these. And honestly, I have in the SI and the 6-speed. It's really great for daily usage. It's a great car. It really is. And it's a whole lot of fun to drive around every day. And you know, I really don't have much to say after that. I can't believe like I picked up such a nice little ride for like a decent price. You know, it's a lot of car for $4 grand for whoever picks it up, or 45 or whatever. It's a lot of car for that much money. It really is. So yeah, man, I got a lot of stuff going on here, and I got that shop. I got a video dropping with that here soon, and we just got a lot of stuff going on here. A lot of stuff in the works for Auction Dogs in 2021. Auction Dog in 2021. Dogs plural, it depends on how you want to look at it. So I really appreciate you guys for rocking with me thus far. And yeah, if you check out auctiondog.com if you want to, or theauctiondog.com, it's got like merch and stuff on there, and you can keep up with our builds. Speaking of builds, the E39 is really coming along here, and we got a lot of crazy stuff coming with that too. So thank you very much for rocking with me thus far, and I really do appreciate all the support, you know, and I can't wait for this thing to really take off here. So peace out, my dogs. Have a great rest of your day.